So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come back on and show you guys before I wrap these up kind of the final looks on what I decided to do on these candle sets that I had. I showed you guys this one right here on camera the other day. Well, we did it on my live the other day, and I told you guys I had 3 more of the candle sets that I was going to put into some concepts, and so I want to show you what I finally came up with for these different concepts, right? Okay, so with this one right here, of course, like I told y'all, we did this one on the live, and I told you guys I was going to go ahead and go back and get one of my purple tumblers because it was in my storage, and so I pulled it out, and that is the final look for this gift set right here. One and done. I added my flowers. It's complete. So I decided to do 2 robes and 2 blanket concepts. So this is my throw blanket, and I added another Bath and Body Works. This is the I think it's the Cherry Merlot, and the color scheme matched. I used the Spa Luxury set to go with that purple. And then I did my Ferrero Rocher, and I found this little buddy in the attic, Wild About You, and I added him with my gray throw to complete this concept. All 3 of them, as you can see, have the candle set with the prayer cards and the hand soap. And so that's what that's the end of that one. On this one right here, again, I did another robe. I added some slippers over here on this side to this one instead of the tumbler cup. Y'all remember where these came from? I found this little buddy here to pull out some more of the purple. I added another one of the Spa Luxury sets, the candle set. And I put 3, 4, 5 pieces of the Spa Luxury in this one. And I think I put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the Spa Luxury in this one. So anyway, that one is one done and complete. So I decided to do a smaller throw in this. And of course, I know you guys remember these. These are some of the throws we got from Walgreens as well. And as you can see, it has that gray and cream color, well, whatever you call it, print work or whatever you want to call it, design, I guess is what I should say, in that. And I thought it was really cute to go with the gray bucket. For some reason, y'all, I wanted gray and purple. I just thought that was just cute. So anyway, I ended up putting it in this bucket, and I ended up using one of the premium chocolates that I just got the other day, and added the candle set, those 3 pieces right here, done. And I think it turned out really cute. Y'all tell me what you think. Of course, y'all put my little window clings on the front of these buckets, y'all, and I think they turned out really nice with the little window clings. And that is all. One done. I'm about to wrap these up, but before I wrap them up, y'all, I wanted to just show you guys the final look unwrapped. And stay tuned at the end of this video, or I may do a short. I don't know which. I may do a short because I always like to do shorts just to kind of show, the final look of my gifts. So that's probably what I'll do. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Y'all tell me what you think of these gifts. So like I said, I have 4 of the candle sets, and I might put. I don't know if I'm gonna put the gold right here or not, because I kind of like the white right there on that. Because as you can see, I added the gold to the top of all 3 of those, but I kind of like the white right there. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you guys, what my 4 concepts for these candles were. Like I said, these were Christmas candle sets. It had the top and everything on it, and I just kind of converted them to make them into all season, all around, because it's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but just any season gift, because this probably is the only one that may feel like a Valentine's gift, because I think all the rest of them can kind of convert to another holiday. Even with that bear on it, it doesn't scream Valentine's Day. And y'all know that's kind of what we're going for, is we want gifts that if they don't sell for Valentine's Day, we can roll them on over to the next holiday. you know, and let that be that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.